Welcome back to Whelen Command Pro Tips. Today we are going to talk about presets, a new feature that has been added to Command in the latest update. On the right hand side, you will now notice a presets section. If we add hardware like a control head, you will notice that presets are automatically added to this section. If we add something like a light bar, like a Senator Duo, nothing is added. But if you go into the Edit menu under Presets, you will see that there is presets available for a light bar. You would just have to select them. If we select them, for example, multi-state flood, you will notice that they get pre-assigned to buttons. Now, if this button is not where you would like it, you can simply click on another button and it will automatically assign it to that button. Now, let's go into the light bar and see exactly what this is doing. So, with multi-state flood selected, let's select our light bar. You will see that on press 1, you get partial flood, so you get the takedowns in the front of the bar. On press 2, you get all the white modules towards the front of the bar. This is just one example of how presets can make configuring your program so much easier. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more Whelen Command Pro tips.